Did you know that every single bite you take can either fuel your body's healing or slowly feed disease? What if I told you that the secret to glowing skin, better energy, sharper memory, and even disease prevention doesn't start with a pill or a supplement? It starts with your plate. In today's video, we're diving deep into the top 5 foods that heal your body from the inside out. These aren't just trendy health foods. They're scientifically proven natural medicines that help your body repair, protect, and thrive at any age. So grab a cup of tea, stay with me to the end, because by the time you finish watching, you'll see your kitchen as your pharmacy and your food as your best medicine. Food. 1. Fatty fish. Our first healing food is fatty fish, like salmon, mackerel, sardines, and tuna, rich in omega-3 fatty acids. Why is this important? Because your body cannot make omega-3s on its own. These fats are essential, and I mean essential, for your brain, heart, and even emotional health. Omega-3s reduce inflammation, which is the silent cause behind so many chronic diseases, heart disease, arthritis, even some cancers. They also support your brain by protecting neurons, improving memory, and even fighting depression and anxiety. In one Harvard study, people who regularly ate fatty fish had up to a 50% lower risk of heart attack. That's not a small number. That's a life-changing statistic. If you're not a fan of fish, don't worry. You can get omega-3s from multiple plant-based sources, like chia seeds, flax seeds, and walnuts. Try to add fatty fish to your meals 2 times a week. Even a small portion, baked or grilled, can make a world of difference for your heart, skin, and brain. Food. Leafy greens, the body's cleanup crew. Spinach, kale, collard greens, broccoli, Swiss chard. These aren't just vegetables, they're body detox machines. They contain powerful compounds like chlorophyll, which acts like a natural cleanser for your liver and bloodstream. Greens also have fiber, vitamin K, folate, iron, and magnesium, all of which help your body repair itself on a cellular level. Did you know that leafy greens can actually change your gut microbiome? That's right. They feed the good bacteria in your digestive system, helping your body absorb nutrients better and boosting your immunity naturally. Add a handful of greens to your smoothie or omelet every morning. And remember, the darker the leaf, the more nutrients it holds. Your body can't thrive on processed foods. But when you give it greens, you're giving it the tools to repair inflammation, cleanse toxins, and even support emotional health, because your gut and brain are deeply connected. Think of greens as the body's internal cleanup crew, always sweeping, scrubbing, and healing from the inside out. Food 3. Berries, antioxidant defenders. Now let's sweeten things up a little, naturally of course. Our third healing food group is berries, nature's antioxidant superstars. Blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries are bursting with vitamin C, polyphenols, and flavonoids, all of which protect your cells from damage caused by stress, pollution, and aging. In simple terms, they fight free radicals, those unstable molecules that speed up aging and disease. Here's the magic. Berries don't just protect your heart, they also improve your skin, memory, and metabolism. Research from Tufts University found that blueberries can actually reverse some signs of brain aging. Add a cup of mixed berries to your breakfast or snack. Frozen berries work just as well as fresh. Just make sure there's no added sugar. And if you struggle with sugar cravings, berries are your best friend. They satisfy your sweet tooth without spiking your blood sugar. Food 4. Avocado, the healthy fat hero. Let's talk about one of my personal favorites, the mighty avocado. This creamy fruit is packed with monounsaturated fats. The good kind that support your heart, stabilize your hormones, and boost nutrient absorption. Avocados are also rich in vitamin E, which protects your skin from oxidative stress and keeps it glowing. But that's not all. They're high in wash potassium, which helps control blood pressure, and sarj fiber, which supports digestion and gut health. Here's something most people don't know. Healthy fats actually help your body absorb vitamins A, D, E, and K. So when you eat a salad, adding a few slices of avocado actually increases the number of nutrients your body takes in. Try half an avocado a day, in your smoothie, on toast, or even mixed with eggs. It's a small habit with massive health benefits. Food number 5, turmeric, the golden healer. And finally, let's talk about the golden healer of the ancient world, turmeric. For centuries, turmeric has been used in traditional medicine for its incredible anti-inflammatory properties. The secret compound inside turmeric is curcumin, a natural antioxidant that's been shown in hundreds of studies to reduce inflammation, boost brain function, and even help prevent chronic illnesses. Inflammation is behind everything from joint pain to heart disease, and even depression, and turmeric helps to calm it naturally. Here's how to use it effectively. Curcumin is best absorbed when paired with one black pepper, which increases absorption by over, so if you're cooking with turmeric, always add a pinch of black pepper. Try this simple healing recipe. Warm a cup of milk, dairy or plant-based, add half a teaspoon of turmeric, a pinch of black pepper, and a bit of honey. That's your golden milk, a soothing drink that heals you from within. It's delicious, comforting, and it's like giving your body a gentle hug from the inside. 1. Fatty fish, for your heart and brain. 2. Leafy greens, for detox and cellular repair. 3. Berries, for antioxidants and youthful energy. 4. Avocado, for healthy fats and glowing skin. 5. Turmeric, for natural inflammation control. These are simple, natural, and affordable foods that can completely transform your health when you make them part of your lifestyle. Remember, your body is not just surviving, it's designed to heal itself. You just need to give it the right tools, and that starts with what you eat. So the next time you look at your plate, ask yourself, is this feeding my illness or fueling my healing? Every healthy bite is a step toward more energy, better mood, sharper focus, and a longer, happier life. And if this video inspired you, don't stop here. Explore the other health guides on my channel. From stress management to healthy aging, Health Flex is here to help you build a stronger body, a calmer mind, and a more balanced life. I'm Dr. Lisa, and this is Health Flex, where we don't just talk about health, we live it. If you found this valuable, please like, share, and subscribe. And remember, your health is your greatest flex.